working on this Everfocus E-Core 960. It's a 960H 16-channel DVR. So it's a little bit older protocol. It's still being made, still being used. And my customer had their call monitor set to where they just had one camera. I guess I'll show this to you because you can't barely see. So it's set to 16 cameras right now, and I was taking it from where it just had. Oops. So that was the problem with this, is where it just had the one monitor on there, or excuse me, the one camera on there. And I was changing it over to a different layout, so 16 channels, and it has 4 cameras. I think a couple of them are bad, and then 2 channels aren't being used. So I was just going through and setting that to where it showed all 16 channels back up at the office. And it's just kind of weird the way that the operating system is. You can see that I'm on main monitor right now. And then when I go over to my layout view, it's changing the call monitor. So, and as you can see, I'm plugged into that. It may be tough to see. Let's see if it focuses. So as you can see, I'm plugged into the call monitor. And just a quick tip with diagnosing this stuff. It may make sense for you to, I'll just leave my test monitor in the truck or whatever. Just go ahead and bring it with you. It'll save you some time. I didn't think I would need to view it, but all these operating systems are all different, and I didn't like the way that they had the main monitor set up, but when you go to change the settings, it's actually changing on the call monitor. So anyways, I have got it set to all 12 cameras being displayed, and now if I go back over to main monitor, and you can see in the background right there that it's just one channel. So now if I go over to, let me just back that up just a little bit. So if I go over to call monitor layout, that you can see that it now shows all 16 channels. Don't want to show all my customers' cameras, but anyways, so that's just a quirk in this operating system. And if I wouldn't have my test monitor, I would have had to call up to the office and say, hey, has it changed yet, and figured it out. But I just don't see, if you're going to change the call monitor, you should be on the call monitor. And if you're going to change the main monitor, you should be on the main monitor, but that's not the way that it's set up. And I'm sure there's a logical reason for it. It's just not logical for me. So Everfocus, I've used their DVRs for a long time. I really like them. One of the companies that I'm using now primarily for my standalone DVRs is Northern. Their I think Hikvision is the OEM manufacturer of it, and they've got a 3-year warranty on it. So if you need expert service for your video surveillance system, please call us and let us know. 214-931-2626. We do automatic gates, access control, video surveillance, low voltage project management, and there's one other thing, audio video. I always forget that last one, but it's always different. It's kind of weird. We do that, and we service Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, Safeguard Controls, Dallas, Texas, y'all.